Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmoy Biswas. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry the Mystery of Molecules. Today's topic of discussion is a very interesting MCQ. Which acid is not oxidizing agent at concentrated or pure condition? Four options are provided. By the way, before going to the details, let's learn about oxidizing agent. What is mean by oxidizing agent? An oxidizing agent is a substance or molecule that oxidizes others, and during this process it got reduced, means it takes electron from other, and since it accepted the electron, that's why it is reduced. Now when this is more favored, when the atom is in higher oxidation state, or you can say that central atom with higher electronegativity. Now higher electronegativity means more tendency to gain electron, but that current situation is very electron deficient, so that's why they are more prone to accept electron. That's why they are preferential oxidizing agent. Now, in order to understand the oxidizing behavior of this acid, nitrogen here +5, sulfur here +6, chlorine +7, and phosphorus +5. Now, if you look at this two with respect to 2 points, you can conclude that's the chlorine, very high electronegative atom, +7 oxidation state, so strong oxidizing agent undoubtedly. Sulfuric acid case, plus sulfur, significant strong electronegative atom, +6 oxidation state, means the highest oxidation state, yes, oxidizing. Remember here, concentrated sulfuric acid is oxidizing, although dilute sulfuric acid is not. For example, if you react sodium bromide with concentrated sulfuric acid, initially it produces HBr, which further got oxidized by sulfuric acid to bromine, and the sulfuric acid molecule is reduced to sulfur dioxide, +6 to +4, and here -1 to 0. Okay, so this is the story. Now if you look at nitric acid, it is in dilute, concentrated, every condition it is a strong oxidizing agent. But if you look at phosphoric acid, it is not at all oxidizing. Now why? You may think that, okay, compared to nitrogen, phosphorus is less electronegative, same group, so you may consider among all four, the phosphorus atom is least electronegative. Point number one. Point number two, obviously +5 oxidation state, one of the lowest among four, so that's why phosphoric acid never shows oxidizing behavior. So that's why the answer is phosphoric acid is not oxidizing agent at concentrated condition. So this is the overall discussion. I believe this video may be useful. By the way, students, some people may have a doubt that, sir, if I react zinc plus sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, I got zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Isn't it a redox reaction? Obviously yes. Why? You can say in that case zinc from 0 to +2, and what about hydrogen? +1 to 0. Now here think what we were discussing, all acids whatever they have H plus common, so based on this concept we cannot compare, we are comparing with respect to the oxidation state of the central metal, and so do not get confused why this is. And second thing, if you look at this metal, it's a very powerful reducing agent, but it is not that much powerful such that it can reduce this sulfur from +6 oxidation state. It is same. What it reduces? It reduces the hydrogen atom from +1 to 0. So this is actually a completely different concept. Please do not mess up with this question. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.